The Quirks of Quotation Marks, a deep dive. Hey there, English learners! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of quotation marks. As tiny as they seem, they play a crucial role in our writing. Misusing them can change the meaning of a sentence or just confuse your readers. So let's get started and understand the common errors associated with quotation marks, especially in relation to punctuation and capitalization. Quotation marks, also known as inverted commas, are punctuation marks used to highlight spoken words, phrases, or short passages. They can be double or single, depending on the style you're using. However, their usage can sometimes get a bit tricky, leading to mistakes. There are a few typical errors we see with quotation marks. 1. Placing periods and commas outside the quotation marks. In American English, periods and commas usually go inside quotation marks. 2. Incorrect. He called it awesome. 3. Correct. He called it awesome. 4. Capitalizing words unnecessarily after quotation marks. Only start with a capital letter if it's a new sentence. 5. Incorrect. Where are you going? He asked. 6. Correct. Where are you going? He asked. 7. Using single quotation marks instead of double. In American English, double quotation marks are the norm, while single quotation marks are used for quotes within quotes. 8. Incorrect. This is a quote. 9. Correct. This is a quote. 10. Misplacing quotation marks with other punctuation. Question marks, exclamation points, and other punctuation can get confusing. 11. If the punctuation applies to the whole sentence, it goes outside the quotation. 12. Correct. Did she just say, hello? 13. If it applies just to the quote, it goes inside. 14. Correct. She yelled, stop. To avoid these common pitfalls, remember: 1. Practice makes perfect. The more you write and proofread, the better you'll become at spotting errors. 2. Double-check your work. After writing, take a moment to check all your quotations for proper punctuation and capitalization. 3. Use tools. Many word processors and online tools can spot quotation mark errors. However, don't rely solely on them. Understanding the rules is crucial. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of quotation marks. Remember, while these small punctuation marks might seem insignificant, they're vital for clarity in your writing. So, keep practicing, stay curious, and keep refining those English skills. Until next time, happy writing!